When you sit down to work with the XPPen Artist Pro 14 Gen 2, the first thing that catches your attention is how solid and well-made it feels. The screen is 14 inches across, and it uses full lamination technology. This means the glass sits directly on top of the display, so when you touch the pen tip to the screen, your line shows up exactly where you expect it to, without any distracting gap. The surface has a nice anti-glare finish, which is a huge help if you work in a bright room because it cuts down those annoying reflections that usually make it hard to see your details. Speaking of details, the color coverage is 123% RGB, so everything you draw looks rich and true to life. The real star of the show here is the X3 Pro stylus. It features 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity. What that actually means for your daily work is that you get incredible control over your line weight. It responds to the lightest possible touch, making your strokes feel fluid and natural. Plus, it is battery-free, so you never have to stop in the middle of a project to find a charging cable or wait for it to power up. You also get a dedicated mini keyboard or shortcut remote, which really changes how you move through your software. It is a separate unit, so you can place it wherever your left hand feels most natural, and you can map all your most used tools to it, keeping your workspace very clean and efficient. The built-in stand provides a really comfortable tilt, which takes a lot of strain off your wrist during those long hours of drawing. In terms of day-to-day use, it is a very balanced setup. It is not just about the technical numbers. It is about how the tablet gets out of your way and lets you focus on what you are actually creating. Whether you are sketching out ideas or finishing a detailed final piece, the responsiveness and the physical comfort make the whole process feel much less like a chore and much more like a natural extension of your creative flow.